Your Roblox game might load fine, but if error code 277 shows up on your phone, it can disconnect you and stop your gameplay. This usually happens because of poor internet connection, unstable Wi-Fi, or sometimes corrupted Roblox data. Most players get annoyed not knowing there's a fix, which is quite simple, but solving it only takes a minute and you'll be back in the game without interruptions. Let's fix it right now. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, and try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check Roblox status. First, open up the Safari browser, next tap on the search box and type status.roblox.com. Here you can see whether the official Roblox server is operational or not. If it's operational, then follow the next solution. Solution 2. Offload the Roblox app. Open up the settings, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and find the app. If you can't find the app here, next tap on the app and then tap Offload, and again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall. If you're still facing the issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Check your app update. Go to the App Store, tap on the search icon below. Type Roblox, now find the Roblox app and tap on it. If you see that there's any updates available, then update the app. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it asks. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After you have successfully reset your network settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. And that's it. Hope your Roblox 277 error on your iPhone is solved by now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.